Did you just vandalize the car? Is that you?
Hey, buddy.
Oh. Get your tongue off my door.
Hey Hector, smile. I'm gonna get a picture. It's a video, you idiot.
You know how that made me feel?
I know.
Oh.